I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video. Oh yeah. Nice.
I could play for, 20, 30 seconds.
Sure. Yeah, I'll be there in a second. Just checking the amp. Look at this. I'll get a demo. Yeah. So what's your name real quick and equipment before we get a demo?
Mike, and
Okay.
I have 4 7500 Sundown amps on 6 Sundown Neo Nightshade 18s, 2370 CES alts,
Cool.
and 4 80 amp hour CES Lithium.
Okay. Awesome.
You want something windy or you want just...
Whatever you feel comfortable playing as musical.
She's only 28.
Okay. Yes. That's got good bandwidth too, man.
Yeah, I would have played higher, and then I can play a lot lower.
Okay. So what's your bandwidth like?
20 to 45.
20 to 40. Huh? Not bad. Awesome. Who built the box?
Me.
You did. Okay. Nice work, man.
Me.
Nice and sealed off. I'm sure you still got some work to do on it. Work in progress.
Oh yeah.
Always.
Like I'll play something a little lower.
A little lower? Okay. You good? Hair messy?
No, I just keep hitting mine.
chains, but the chains only bring me. Chains, but the chains only bring me. Chains only bring me.
That low note, like what, 25, 26 hertz is like the brutal low note for this note build, isn't it? Yeah. Wow.
I'll play down 22. You'd have to come back a little later.
Oh, no, don't worry about it, dude. We're good. I appreciate the demo. Mike, right?
Yeah.
Mike. Thank you, Mike.
Yeah, no,
nice to meet you. Thank you for showing me, man.
No, I appreciate
Nice work.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Woo.
Chains, but the chains only bring me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.